How old are you?
2.5.
2.5?
Yeah.
Show them that you can jump in the pool.
Huh?
Jump in.
Huh?
Come here and jump.
Huh?
Come here and jump in the water.
Sure.
Alright, go. Yay. Swim, swim. Show them you can swim.
Hey, what's this?
It's a water gun.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that? Can I?
Yeah.
Wait, what is it?
Swim.
There you go. That was a good breath. It was breaststroke, but it was a good breath. You want to try breaststroke all the way across? Not this one. Out, around, breathe. Remember? I see. Hello. You don't know how to work that? I don't know either, but I'm teaching Carson right now. Can you excuse us? Thank you. All right, Carson, you ready? I want to see you do this one. Out, around.
Hey.
Very good.